Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. At ERD, we work on a variety of parts and modules for large construction equipment. This SG-4SK gearshift assembly is used in a mobile crane and came to us with a major malfunction. We performed a full rebuild on the circuit board as it had short-circuited, and we also cleaned up the mechanism to make sure it shifted smoothly. In the video, we are testing the gear select outputs along with the reverse lock solenoid to ensure safe and proper operation when it is reinstalled back in the crane. So, if you have heavy equipment down and are in need of some repairs, please reach out to ERD for a quote today.